During the next few minutes, we'll outline for you how we work at Mitsubishi Motors, what we do, our working conditions, and help you find your way around in your first few weeks with us. It's not easy walking into a new job, especially on a big site like this with so many staff, so we'll try and make it a little easier. The plant is the largest building on the site. It covers 12 acres or nearly 5 hectares. The other main buildings are administration, and between the two, the cafeteria. In the plant, your working hours are 7:35 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. The plant is organised into work groups, which we call shops. Your time card is located beside the clock nearest your shop. It's one of the first things your foreperson will show you on the job. It's important that this is punched when you arrive in the morning and when you leave in the afternoon. For staff in the administration building, the day starts at 8 o'clock and ends at 4:45. The staggered hours between the plant and admin are to help ease the traffic congestion in Porirua. Car parking is provided for all staff in the number 1 and number 2 car parks in front of the factory or behind the admin building. We aim to provide top quality staff benefits because Mitsubishi Motors' goal is to produce top quality cars. The cafeteria serves a full range of meals, from snacks to 3-course lunches, and at subsidised rates. It's even open for breakfast from 7 a.m. for a full breakfast if you want. Lunch break is 45 minutes, and lunch times run from 11:30 to 1:15. Your supervisor will tell you the lunchtime for your area. In the factory, you'll be issued with a clean pair of overalls every week, more often for some jobs. Safety shoes or boots are also strongly advised for everyone in the factory. These can be purchased at special prices through the company and paid for by deductions from your wages. And in designated areas of the factory, safety glasses and ear protection must be worn. This includes visitors. Our objective is to operate a clean, tidy environment. There are lots of open spaces, inside and out, room for recreational activities during tea breaks and lunchtime. Sports equipment is supplied by the Social Activities Committee, which also organises sports and social activities during the year. Everyone who works at Mitsubishi Motors is automatically a member. There are plenty of other sports activities during the year too: basketball, netball, softball, cricket and indoor cricket. So I just locked the pool in. A fully staffed and serviced medical centre provides staff with free medical advice and assistance. You can make an appointment to see the doctor, and the nurses are on hand to treat work injuries or illness during the day. Another staff benefit is the policy of offering all vacancies to staff before they're advertised outside the company. These are advertised on the notice board. Other information is spread to staff through the staff news, production line, other publications and videos. There is a library and information centre on the first floor of the administration building, which is available to all staff.
What's that thing? Yes.
Mitsubishi Motors prides itself on being a friendly first-name company.
Is it?
If you have a problem or a question, don't hesitate to ask your supervisor or at the personnel office. There are 2 personnel offices. For those working in the plant, it's here under the cafeteria, probably where you first applied for a job. For administration staff, it's on the first floor of the admin building.
These are all the direct credit banking slips for people who have all their wages direct credited. Just get them to sign their individual cards.
If you're paid in cash, this is where you'll collect your pay if you're away on payday.
Back behind your box over there.
All staff are able to have their pay direct credited to their bank account, and this happens on Wednesday nights. If you want to be paid in cash, your pay packet will be handed to you on the job on Thursdays. Staff receive written notification of changes and any amounts direct credited.
So the employment of people.
Staff training is important, and the training department organises a wide range of courses for different groups in the company.
Is to formally welcome you to the company. Some of you have probably been here a while.
In the plant, you'll receive on-the-job training.
Because it actually is a very big company and we're only one very small part of it.
Mitsubishi Motors New Zealand is part of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation of Japan. MMC is one of the top 10 motor vehicle manufacturers in the world. It's involved in vehicle manufacturing in many countries, including Australia, Malaysia, Thailand, the Philippines, South Korea and Taiwan, plus the United States. Mitsubishi vehicles are sold in over 130 countries. MMC has built its reputation by making technically advanced and very high quality cars and trucks. In New Zealand, we also place considerable importance on quality. In addition to this site in Porirua, there is also a store at Wingate in Lower Hutt, where we provide parts backup for the vehicles sold by Todd Motors and more recently, Mitsubishi Motors. We're pleased you've joined our staff. We know you'll enjoy being part of a team, making and marketing high-quality motor vehicles. Making your contribution as part of Mitsubishi Motors New Zealand.